I feel pretty and witty and bright, and I pity any girl who is
Okay, so here we go. This is the deal today. We got a little problem. Chris, one of our mechanics here, walked by and mentioned that I had the best hair on the planet. And apparently that caused some problems when I told Harrison down in the think tank, because he was going to promote the idea about my best hair thing. We're going to do a big sale on it, but apparently Jack Lord's family over in Hawaii has a problem with it. So I got to show up some court case. They say I got the second best hair on the planet, and Jack Lord had number one. Crazy?
How good
Insane! Now, Dipper was in the running, but he got disqualified. We won't get into all that. But if you come in and mention anything related to Hawaii Five-0, or you compliment me on my hair, you get all the coffee you can drink. We'll sit around and talk about coffee and cars and stuff. And if you buy a car, you get a full tank of gas and a Lexus pen, and $1 of every sale will go to contribute to my fund to get me to Hawaii to show up in court with Harrison. Harrison's going to come with me because I need some representation there. And we're going to go to Hawaii. So come see me soon. Come see the senator and get that free cup of coffee, Lexus pen, full tank of gas. Come see the senator.
such a pretty face, such a pretty
America,
dress, such a
damn
pretty
it.